The traditional tarpaulin metal eyelet or grommet is used on many applications, from HGV and utility vehicle tarpaulin covers to boat and yacht sails. New metal eyelets and grommets are readily available, but how do you fit them? You use this new grommet and eyelet fitting tool from Laser. Two kits are available and both include the G-clamp style fitting tool, which can be screwed or clamped onto the bench or even handheld. Let's see it in action. We will fit one of these large 16mm metal grommets to some cover material. First, select the 16mm hole punch. Clip it onto the handle and then position the plastic backing pad. Using this keeps the hole punch sharp. All that's required is a quick blow from a hammer and we have a cleanly cut hole ready to accept the new grommet. A little spike tool is also included in the kit for you to remove the waste material. Now select the correctly sized punch and die set from the kit, 16mm in this case. Fit the punch and die to the tool, then position the bottom section of the new grommet onto the die. Lay the material over the bottom section of the grommet, then place the top section of the grommet into position. Now simply screw down the handle of the tool until both halves of the grommet are securely crimped. And there you have it. A professionally fitted metal grommet. This is a 7882 kit and 4 sizes of metal grommet are provided. Also included in the kit are studs, caps and sockets, used for securing tonneau covers, sports car soft tops, etc. Let's fit a press stud, cap and socket. These are all easy to fit with the tool. The little 6.5mm hole punch is used this time. The cap and socket punch and die set is selected. Fit to the tool and carry out the operation in a similar manner to the metal grommet fitting. Now we'll fit the corresponding stud. The stud punch and die set is fitted to the tool. A few seconds later, we have a professionally fitted stud. These fittings have a multitude of uses, from camper vans, securing the carpet on a classic car, or even on clothing. The two grommet and eyelet fitting tools are available now from your Laser Tools stockist.